Hey team, welcome back. This is the time for us to test the Realme C75 if talagang waterproof and worry-proof siya. Meron tayong hotbox dito ngayon na provided din ng Realme. So if you guys don't know what a hotbox is, this is actually a box na usually ginagamit siya sa pangpainit ng food. So instant siya. So what's inside is you have this, usually there's food here, pero this time we're gonna put water. So lagyan natin yung phone, no? Tapos i-place natin siya on top of this hot box. And then we're gonna pull the tab. Siyempre, i-cover natin, then we're gonna pull the tab. So dito natin test dun sa IP rating niya na nakababat siya. Tapos nagbo-boil siya or nag-iinit siya ng water. At meron din tayong thermometer here to check yung temperature, gaano ba siya kainit. So, let's do it now. So we're gonna place this on top. We're gonna put some water. Dami na siguro yan. And then we are going to put this phone, the Realme C75. Ayan. And then we're going to put the cover na. So, ito siya. Tapos, let's see if we can track yung temperature niya. We're gonna turn it on. Sana makita nyo. Okay. And then we're gonna do it now. Okay? I'm scared. Okay, time to pull. Yun na siya. It should work now. It is now 22. Narinig niyo siya? Uy, masukan yung camera. So kanina 22 yung temperature niya. Ngayon nasa makita. Mausok ba? 24, 25, wow. 26, 27, 28. It's going up. 29. Ang init na siguro na ito. Ito yung steam na yan. 30. 32. Damn, it's hot. At hindi pa siya tapos umiinit pa siya, tuloy-tuloy pa siya. Para akong nagpapa-facial dito. Ang galing ng hotbox. Ang galing ng Realme kung kakayanin niya to. ₱40 degrees Celsius na siya, guys. 41, 42. Nako, you guys should see this. Ano ko ba? Papakita ko sa inyo in a bit, Hindi naman siya mainit. So, mapapakita ko siya sa inyo sa screen. 44, 45, 46. It's gonna be hot, no? 48 from 22, 48 na siya. 49. 50, 51, 51, 52 guys. 52. 53. Hindi pa siya tumitigil. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin siya. 55. Ayan na. I think ang pinakamataas na niya is 50. Oh, tumaas pa siya. 56 degrees. Nag-slow down. Nag-slow down na rin siya. 57. 58. It's still going up. Now, medyo mainit siya. 62. Grabe, from 22 degrees. I think this is Celsius. Yeah, Celsius. Grabe, from 22 degrees, 63 na siya ngayon. Ang init niyan. Ang tanong, gaano kainit tong phone na to para hawakan ko? 64. I think this is enough. Now, ang tinetest ito ngayon, dahil nakababad tong thermometer, yung tracker natin sa water, ang tinetest siya gaano kainit yung tubig. Nakababa siya, or kundi man yung steam, pero what's inside the box? That's really hot. 66. Ay. So, just to show you guys, I'm not joking, 67. Still going up. Hindi pa siya tapos. Yan. $63. Pakita natin siya ulit sa inyo mamaya. Pero, check natin yung top view. Okay pa naman. Siguro naman tapos na to. Aray. Ayan. Ito yung water. Ito yung phone. Walang cut to tas, ayan siya. Nakababad siya. Now, nakababad na yung phone for maybe like 5 minutes. It's hot. Ayan siya. Pinower on ko siya kahit mainit. Device too hot. So I don't know how to do this, pero kuha tayong tong. Tapos may safety, siya, control din siya. So, kita natin, Merong feature dito na eject water from speaker. So, ito siya. So, nakalagay na siya sa quick settings ko. If you do that, you hear that? And now for safety, I want to do it again para lang just to make sure na wala talagang water doon sa speakers. Kasi yun lang I think ang mas prone sa water at makapasok, maririnig niyo siya. It's gonna make that sound. Tapos ganyan itsura niya. And then let us check. Okay, wow. So it is working, no? If na-notice nyo, some of the apps kanina is medyo nag-dim or nag-dark siya. Kasi the phone has this safety feature that prohibits you from using the phone completely and its other features if masyadong mainit yung surroundings or nabilad siya sa araw or nalubog siya or whatever, no, dun sa performance ng phone. It prohibits you from using your phone para hindi siya further ma-damage or masira. Pero at least yung mga safety precautions or something that you can do after, like ejecting water from the phone is fine. Calls or text pwede. Pero syempre, internet and other settings na you can touch, hindi siya available. Now, after like maybe a minute or two, gumana na siya. All apps are now back to its color. And then, bawat dip or nalaglag man siya sa pool or sa sink or whatever, just make sure you use the water ejection feature, no, from the speakers. Kasi it's very useful at dapat meron siya talagang ganun. And now, connected na tayo sa Wi-Fi. Check natin to. Ayan na siya. It's working. Hello?
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 Are you working?
Are you working?
Realme
Realme
C75.
C75.
Yeah. Ayan na guys. So, it passed the test ng heat. You guys can see na even if overheating man siya or nabilad man siya, at least alam nyo na this phone can still work, no? It has some safety features that prohibits you from using your phone to prevent further damage if malubog man siya na matagal. Pero nakita nyo kanina, no? Dito sa hotbox na to, talagang lumubog siya na mainit. Nakikita nyo yung temperature kanina. Apakainit yun. Pero it's still working now, no? Just don't forget to remove the water from the speaker. Even before you charge or do anything hard with it, just make sure you remove the excess water from it. I would suggest na wag nyo muna siyang i-charge. I-drain nyo siya completely and keep on using to remove water from the speakers. It might help further remove some of the moisture inside, no? Yun, that's what I would recommend. Pero syempre, hindi siya yung tipong talagang gagamitin mo on a daily basis na ilulubog mo siya or underwater shots. I wouldn't recommend that. Pero dahil water resistant siya, it means that it can, no? Hindi siya waterproof. Water resistant lang din siya. So, I'm really impressed with this, yung temperature niya. Mainit siya hanggang ngayon, umuusok pa siya. And na-withstand niya yung ganong klaseng temperature. It means that this is very durable. May it be kung tag-init man siya or tag-ulan, no? Especially pag sa mga kaibigan nating riders out there. This phone is something na you can use. Mabilad man siya sa araw na matagal or maulanan. So, pwedeng-pwede to. Para sa inyo to. Design to para sa inyo. And also sa mga students na medyo hindi siya ganun ka-careful sa kanilang mga gadgets. I think this is a good phone as an entry level. Pwede nyo magamit to kasi at least wala kayong worries, no? Yun lang. Yung masasuggest ko. Pero I think for this one, the Hotbox Realme C75 passed the test. If you guys want to know more info about this phone, make sure you head over to the blog mixoferything.net. And other info, make sure you check out my previous video. And I'll drop more features of this phone in this video.
Bye.